How do you turn your idea into online business? That's what we're going to talk about today. Hello, my name is Michele, and I am a certified online business manager, and I kindly kick digital CEOs out of the back office so they can focus on more sales, more revenue, and my very favorite, more impact. Now, I have been around one or two business owners in the past, call it my occupation, I guess, and one of the things that people can struggle with when they're first starting out is they have this really good idea for their online business that they want to start and create, and then they go out and they will do the easy part. They'll do the research on the competitors that's out there, like who's actually offering it and who's doing it, and then they'll go ahead and build a business plan, and they'll have all that stuff, and they'll get everything figured out logistically for it, like legally, contracts, things like that. And yes, I do believe that that piece is the easy part of starting your online business. Yes, I do know that sounds crazy, but stay with me here because this is what I'm talking about. So the actual hard part is getting out of your own way, like not letting your monkey mind get in the way of the things that you want to achieve in your online business. And it comes down to simply, in my own opinion, and the people that I've worked with in the past, is just having the confidence that they can do it and they can achieve it, and that people will want what they have to offer or what items that they're actually selling or want that course that they're creating. So in those aspects, I always encourage somebody to start with something that's a beta so they can see that the actual interest is out there, and then build their confidence to actually provide that service or create that course or give people what they actually need versus what you think they need, because they are truly two different things. Because the thing is, when you actually get that confidence piece in what you have and that your idea is desirable for people, then that helps you to not worry about saying the wrong thing, worry about putting the wrong maybe social post out on social media, worrying about all those things that go along when you aren't confident in what you're doing and saying and putting out there in the world. So the hard part is staying focused when you do not have the confidence to actually get out there and show people what you have to offer and the services that you can provide to them and the change that they would receive from actually working with you. So what is that results and change? It's just having confidence that you know exactly what it is, and then you don't have to worry about any of the other things, because that will get you absolutely nowhere in starting an online business, is worry and questioning if you're doing the right thing or not. So today, I believe in you, and I know that you can go out and have the confidence to start an online business. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you have a wonderful day. I look forward to seeing you next week, and I appreciate you.